what's the meaning of Kabbalah? Kabbalah means receiving and tradition. That is, receiving a timeless tradition in the forms which resonate with our ages. So we may say that there are many forms of Kabbalah in terms of how we present themselves to us, but there is only one Kabbalah, meaning one perennial wisdom to which the Kabbalah books and teachings point to. We can also describe Kabbalah or label Kabbalah in two main categories. One is a theological Kabbalah, which I call descriptive. That's, for example, found in the Zohar. And there is also experiential Kabbalah, which our authors and researchers usually call ecstatic Kabbalah. I will post more information about this on my website, which is www.frankrad.com. When it comes to ecstatic Kabbalah, Abraham Abulafia is the main personality. He basically started ecstatic Kabbalah, and he inspired the Renaissance because his manuscripts and teachings reached Pico della Mirandola and other key influencers of the Italian Renaissance. And the experiential teachings of Abulafia, which may be called meditations, are usually divided in three main steps. Step one is to write down permutations based on the divine names. Step two is chanting such names. And step three is visualizing and manipulating the letters which form the divine names in one's head. It's very important also to mention that even if we call these names, because that's the way as human beings we label these sounds, the ultimate reality points to sounds, not really names. And as I mentioned, Abulafia's teaching, which were very common and popular in Sicily, reached Florence thanks to the work of the translators who were working with Pico della Mirandola and other philosophers and thinkers and artists working in Florence for the De Medici family. So what Abulafia taught is very powerful, is very practical, and it can be applied to one's life very easily.